likewise, the verb lamad, the shoresh lamad, which means to learn. For a man, we say lomed, and for a woman, we say lomedet. So when we ask a question, we have to be aware of whether we're asking a man or a woman, and we have to use the proper Hebrew forms depending on whether it's a man or a woman. The other challenge is that we want to start getting used to reading the Hebrew and thinking about the Hebrew words without the nikudot. So we have an opportunity here, Joseph, for me to give you the pronunciation. You get it in your ear, and you can still use the Hebrew letters as a guide, as clues to what we're trying to say, but you also need to listen and remember to the pronunciation. So in order to ask, what do you study, Joseph, I have to use the masculine form, which is ata for you, and lomed, to study, is the masculine form of study. The way I would ask it is, Joseph, ma ata lomed. You want to try that? What do you study? Ma ata lomed.
Ma ata lomed.
Beautiful. Now, if we were asking Maria what she studies, it would be at, is the feminine form of you, and lomedet would be the feminine form of to study. So we would go Maria, ma at lomedet. Do you want to try that, Joseph?
Yes. Ma at lomedet.
Beautiful.
Maria.
And very nice. Exactly right. Now the response, if you're a man, again, we use lomed. Both men and women use ani for I. So as a man, you would respond ani lomed, and then one of the choices down below. I actually gave you the choice that works for you. So for a man, we say ani lomed, and for a woman, we say ani lomedet. The response is ani lomed ivrit. Ani lomed fizika. Listen carefully to this one, Joseph. Ani lomed made hamachshav. Together, made hamachshav.
Made
amakshav.
Beautiful. So Joseph,
yes.
Ma ata lomed.
Ani lomed. Made ha machshav.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Wow.
Maria, ma'at lomedet.
Ami lamedet.
Right. You could use ivrit for Hebrew.
Ivrit.
Very good. Maria lomedet ivrit. Very nice. Let's see if anybody else might be on board with this. We have Jenny still hanging in there with us, and Trevor's still hanging in there with us. Jenny Gillies, kindly unmute.
Ma at lomedet.
Beautiful. So you asked Maria, ma'at lomedet. Maria, do you want to answer again? Maria, ma'at lomedet. Ani?
Ami lamedet physically.
Physica. Nice. Beautiful. Let us ask Joseph. Jenny, let us ask Joseph. Ma'ata lomed.
Ma ata lomed.
אני לומד
There's another one down here. There's
No.
Esek. There's Maskirut, which is secretarial. There's Chaklaut, which is agriculture. All sorts of choices, Joseph. How about, let's pretend you're Gideon and you Lomed Physica.
But Gideon's here.
That's true.
yes
Oh, and now Gideon's audio is doing very well. So Gideon, brother, Ma'ata
Yep.
Lomed, Ma'ata Lomed.
אני לומד עברית ופיזיק.
Physica.
פיזיקה.
Very nice. Trevor, my brother. Trevor, Ma'ata Lomed. I think, did Trevor have to sign out? Did Trevor disappear?
yes there is Yun
Trevor disappeared.
Is Yun, are you able to respond? Yun, my brother in Tel Aviv, Ma'ata Lomed.
אני לומד עברית.
Yofi, Yafe Ma'od. Kindly Yun Shen, ask Maria, Ma'at Lomedet, Maria.
Ami Lamedet.
What do you want to lomed at this time? What's your choice?
How do you say agriculture?
Chaklaut. Chaklaut.
Hakla'it.
Hakla.
Very nice. Very nice. Yun Shen, I feel like I should apologize. I thought that for some reason you weren't available to recite, but you have an excellent connection and I should have given you more chances. I will definitely make up for that in coming sessions. That's all we have time for today, guys. But you did very nicely on this little bit of dialogue. We can expand on this dialogue to, how long do you study and what's the name of your teacher and all sorts of things. But anyway, that's all I've got for you today, guys. Very nice work all the way around. So.